Well, I've already given the example, right? So over here, all sides
Are
are
equal.
equal, right? Over here,
Yes.
no sides are equal, right? Or you can write, instead of writing no sides are equal, you can write no equal sides. What you will write over here in skeleton? No equal sides. No equal sides. Okay. So
Okay.
on the basis of sides, we have three triangles. One is isosceles triangle, one is equilateral triangle, and one is skeleton triangle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Equilateral, all sides are, and if no sides are equal, then it is skeleton. Okay. Now types of triangle on the basis of angle. Right? On the basis of
Yes,
angle.
ma'am.
Okay. So over here you can see this 30. If all the angles should be less than 90. Right? All the angles should be less than 90. So if this is a triangle, like for example, this is 30, this is 40, this is 20. See, all the angles are less than 90. Yes? Yes, ma'am. Yes, so it is acute triangle. And over here, if any triangle has one right angle, it is known as right angle triangle. Okay. And over here, remember one thing, over here, one angle should be more than 90 degrees. Right? For example, if this is a triangle, right? This is 110, this one is 30, and this one is 20. So in this obtuse triangle, there is one condition that only one angle should be more than 90 degree. And yes, this one is more than 90, others are less. That's also fine. But in acute triangles, all the angles should be less than 90 degree. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in obtuse angle, if one is more than 90 degree, like 110 degree, that means that is obtuse angle.
Yes, it will become obtuse angle automatically.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? But over here in acute one, all the angles should be less than 90 degree. Clear?
Yes.
And in the right angle, if one angle is 90 degree, right, it is a right angle triangle. Okay?
I think that angles must be equal.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Right?
Okay.
Yes.
the scaling, the obtuse triangle, how much it's what it,
Obtuse triangle is basically that triangle in which one angle should be more than 90 degree. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
one
ma'am.
angle should be, I'm just writing it again in case you are not getting it. Wait. So over here, one angle should be more than 90 degrees. So this is obtuse triangle. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
first you will note it down. From here, you will write triangle, then the definition of triangle. You will draw this diagram and you will write line segment. These are line segment. Angles, these are angles. So whenever you write angle, right? How do you write angle? You write this angle A, angle B, angle C.
Angle.
Right? Instead of writing angle, you will make this sign of angle. Okay.
Yes.
So you can write it down. You will make the notes and then I'll scroll it down. Okay. So first you will write triangle, then you will draw the diagram, then you will write this. Then second heading will be types of triangle. Instead of making the triangle, you can write triangle on the basis of sides. So draw the diagram, then write isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, equilateral, all, and scale no equal sides. Okay. Do it first. I'll scroll.
Ma'am, wait, I will take my note.
Sorry.
Ma'am, give me 1 minute. I will take my note.
Yes, you can bring it. No problem.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is that written after that triangle? That first line triangle is a
Closed figure made up of 3 line segments and it has 3 angles.
closed, ma'am. Yeah.
Closed figure
Okay, ma'am.
made up of 3 line segments and it has 3 angles.
Ma'am, can you go a little down?
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes.
Um, up on the number 2, what is the different types of triangle sides? After triangle sides,
No.
that on
This is types of triangles on the basis of sides. Okay. On the basis of side. Okay.
okay. Ma'am, on the basis of side, yeah.
Sorry.
On the basis of side, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can you scroll down? Ma'am, can you scroll a little more down?
Ma'am, can you scroll it up? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Only this much, ma'am?
Yes. We'll just wait for Tashin to complete, then we'll start in.
I'm done.
Okay, you are also done?
Ma'am.
Okay. Abdul, you are sharing the screen again.
Ma'am, by mistake, he buttons are pushing.
Okay. Now let's just start. Okay. So over here in the first question, first I will teach you a few terms that you have to remember. Okay. So over here, first term which you are going to learn is this.
Basis median?
This is basically, yes, I'll teach you. Wait a minute. The two terms which you have to remember is, one is the
median chapter is now going in our class, or it's already finished. Now bar graph is going.
Yes. So this is not that median. This is the triangle's median. Okay.
Okay.
So bisect and median. Okay. So ma'am, first of all, what is this bisect? Okay. For example, the line, I divided it into this. For example, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Right? So I will say that I divided the line. I divided the line. Okay, but the same line, if I will divide it into two equal parts, right? AC and CV both are equal. So I will say I bisected the line. What I will say? I bisected the line. So bisect means that I am going to divide a particular line in two equal parts. Clear? I hope it's clear. Bisect.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So dividing any line in two equal parts. Now coming to median. Ma'am, what is this median? A median connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite angle. So for example, if this is a triangle, from here it will come and it will join the midpoint. Mid means it should bisect the midpoint, the middle point. Okay. So this is what it is, a bisector, median.
Ma'am, can I explain median?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. The median is the middle point in the data set. Half of the data points are smaller than the median.
Yes.
And half
over
of the
here,
data points are larger.
Yes. So over here, that way you don't have to calculate the median. I'm just telling you what will be the median. It will be the one who is going to join the midpoint. Over here, C is the midpoint. So if this is joining, so this AC is basically the median. Clear?
That means, ma'am, the middle line is the median.
Yes. Middle point, the middle line basically, which is joining the midpoint. That is your median. Okay. So you will first write median of a triangle. Then you will write this. A median is this. And then you will draw this. Over here, AB, AM is the median. Over here, BM is the median. Right? And over here,
Yes.
MC is the median. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Abdul, your camera is on.
Oh, sorry. Ma'am, what is this before median? It's written
Bisect.
bisect.
Yes. Don't write bisect. Only write median. I'll tell you what to write for bisect.
Okay. Ma'am, we have to write after drawing this diagram. We have to write that one also. That side A M
Yes,
A D
you have to write,
O N.
you have to draw all the diagrams, then you will write this definition.
No, ma'am, not this. Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to write
Yes,
this
yes.
side one also. This side one AM dot AD
Tell me,
O
Abdul.
PM. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write this side one also. AM dot AD O
Yes.
M. Okay,
You
ma'am.
have to just write this. AM equals to median.
Okay, ma'am.
Here you will write BM equals to median. And here you will write CM equals to median. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, understood. Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Tashin, you are also done?
Just doing the last diagram, ma'am.
Okay, okay, draw it, draw it.
Okay, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now I'm just teaching you two words, which is one is altitude and one is the height. Okay. So height,
Okay.
I hope everybody knows, right?
Yes,
For
ma'am. Yes.
example, if this is a triangle, right? This is your height. Yes. Yes. So over here, there are two terms. One is the height and one is the altitude. Right? Both means the same. Both are same, but there is a slight difference between both. Right? That's a slight difference. I'll teach you what is the slight difference. Right? If this is a triangle and this height is basically 90 degree, right? So at this time, you will not say this is height. You will say this is altitude. Okay? And if it is not 90 degree, then you will say it is a height. I hope it's clear. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Right? So what you are going to write, altitude, it is a perpendicular drawn from the vertex. This is vertex of the triangle to the opposite side. Okay. So you can see this is
Yes.
basically the altitude. Okay. In this, for example, I gave you this triangle, right? Over there in this
Yes, ma'am.
triangle, I gave you these three lines. Okay.
Yes.
P, this is M, this is R, and this is O. So I told you, and this is 90 degree. So I asked you, locate the height and
Height
altitude.
and altitude.
What are height basically over here? Ma'am, OM is also a height and OR is also an height. But what is an altitude? Because over here it's only in OP there's a 90 degree.
M.
So altitude is OP only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We will first note it up. And over here you will mention that height are AM and AN, but altitude is only AO.
Ma'am, can you give some example related to this altitude? What does
Yeah,
altitude mean?
altitude only means that any height which will have 90 degree over here, the sign of 90 degree. You will say, ma'am, this is not a height. This is, you will change the name basically. You will say, ma'am, this is the altitude. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what did you write after perpendicular?
It is a perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the triangle to the opposite side. Okay.
Ma'am, you have to write zone also?
Drawn is by like draw, like
Drawn
DR.
from a perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the triangle to the opposite side. Okay.
Okay.
Perpendicular drawn from the.
Ma'am, you have to write zone also?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to submit these notes in the PDF form.
You don't have to submit this notes in today's class. When I'll take your test, only then you have to submit.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, I am also done. And ma'am,
Yes.
what is that one? MNO and the side is P or A?
Now which one?
That height. Yes, this one, ma'am. This one.
Which
It's
one?
P. No,
AM
no,
and
this,
AN.
no, this down. This MNO and P or A.
You don't have to do anything with this. You will only write P and O are the altitude. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My one is finished.
Okay, both of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you will try to do this. Then we will discuss the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Here you go.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write the answer or our answer is already written?
You have to think about the answer. Might be this is a wrong question. Wrong answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the diagram, can you scan there up there? Ma'am, done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I wrote the first one also. I
Okay.
will write the PMPD. Is that one answer also?
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
We have to do number 2 question also.
You have to do the first one. Okay.
Ma'am, I did it.
Okay. Now this one also, you have to draw the rough diagram. And over there, you have to mention that BE is the medium. So how will you show that? Okay. Okay, girls and boys, you are done.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, my last question. Wait, ma'am.
Do it.
Ma'am, number 3 that last is not showing. Triangle can.
You don't have to do number 3.
Okay.